got down in Dibang airport and proceeded towards Roing, which is our first destination. Friends, I prepared a detailed video on how to reach, where to stay, the season and the gear for birding in Mishmi Hills. I am giving a link of it on the top right corner. An Indo-Chinese roller was perching on a tall dry tree. Few great mynas were moving with the cattle. A greyback shrike was in search of prey, shifting from one bush to the other. Before reaching Roing, went to a grassland nearby. It was already evening. A rufous-necked laughing thrush and a chestnut-capped babbler were making their last effort for the insects before they retire for the night. It was nearing sunset and we went for night birding. A pair of hoxsons, frogmouth, were calling from the edge of the hills. This is my second frogmouth. I already have a Sri Lankan frogmouth from Tattekad. Next day morning, started for Mayodia. Started climbing the Mishmi Hills, and all along the way, the rich bird diversity is amazing. A fulvous breasted woodpecker was moving up on the tree trunks for the insects. A collared tree pie was moving from one tree top to other. A collared owlet, which has occipital face with the back of the head, has eye-type formation, which helps in protecting the bird from predators, was sitting on a branch and looking at us with wide open eyes. Chinese vivid niltava flew and sat on the top of the tree and immediately moved into a shade of tree. A crested goshawk, which can silently move in the branches, was searching for the prey with its piercing eyes. A black-throated prenia was restlessly moving in the shrubs. Yellow-bellied warbler and a bar-winged wren babbler gave us a photo opportunity. On the side of the stream, an agile white-capped redstart and on the top of the branches, a nectar-eating streaked spider hunter, and in the lower branches, a hopping long-tailed sibia and a yellow-cheeked tit gave my checklist a jump. Next day in the morning, while moving towards Mayodia Pass, photographed a very elusive grey nightjar sitting on the road. As the sun was rising, more birds chirping on tall trees gave a photo shoot. slender-billed scimitar warbler scaly breasted cupwing, chestnut tailed minla gave a good show. All the three Yuhinas, rufous finted Yuhina, stripe throated Yuhina, and whiskered Yuhina were active and agile on the treetops. An yellow browed tit with its sweet call and somersaults of ashy throated warbler were interesting. Suddenly saw a Eurasian sparrowhawk pouncing on a bird and then looked at us. It kept the bird under a boulder and flew few meters away and gave this pose. Streak-throated falvetta and rufous-winged falvetta gave a tough time finding them. Beautiful and colorful black-faced warbler, though agile, gave an excellent sighting as it sat on a branch where light was focusing on it. It was almost sunset time and a beautiful sepia appeared and was shifting from one branch to another, and a little bunting was sitting on a clear branch. It is time to say bye for the day, and we will come up with more birds of Mishmi and Namdafa in my next video. Please do not forget to watch the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos from India and abroad. Thank you so much.